Hey Pioneers, this is the assisted dip machine. A dip works the shoulders, chest muscles, and triceps, the back of the arms. When we're doing dips, there's a few important things to know about this machine. The more weight is on this, the easier it gets because it's contradicting your weight. So say I weigh 100 pounds, I don't. Then when I have it on 40, I'm only gonna be lifting 60 pounds because the weight is applied to this pad here. So if I wanted it to, right now it's on 40, if I wanted it to give me 45 pounds, I can also add one of these knobs, 50, add another weight. When you come over here, if I have wider shoulders or if I'm male, I probably want the wider setting, but because I'm a smaller person with a smaller frame, I want these turned in to give me a little less distance so my arms aren't flared out so much. When I'm pressing into the pads, I need to keep my wrists straight. I don't want them to bend back. Keep them straight, and I'm gonna try to press into this outer portion of my hand right here. And then you can either wrap your thumb around the bar or set it on top. Find your preference. When you're getting into this machine, get both feet on the pads, find your appropriate grip, and then one leg at a time, step on. As I come down, I'm gonna look forward, and I'm gonna let my chest come forward slightly, and I want my elbows to get to about 90 degrees. About. It depends on the person, what is most comfortable. Somewhere around 90 is perfect. When I get off, 1 foot at a time, take 1 foot off, let the platform raise slowly, remove the other foot, and then you can step off. If I don't want assistance from the pad at all, I can pull this knob in here and lower the seat. So now I can just do dips here without any help. This is the assisted dip machine.